Hi guys, I'll be teaching you how to make this delicious meal. First of all, I'll be introducing myself. My name is Eric Abigail, aka Chef Chi. I'm an undergraduate and I had little money, so I had to prepare this to make things easy for me. Now this is my rice here, and I had my pot beside me. Put my pot on the gas, and I had to use this parboiling method though. So I added the water that's going to reach for the quantity of rice I want to prepare. Then I added my rice inside the pot, putting a little bit of salt, and this is the quantity of salt I added to the rice. And I covered my pot, and now it has been parboiled already. I had to go and sieve it out. And after sieving it, I washed the rice thoroughly. Immediately after washing the rice, I had to rush to ground the tomato and the pepper with the grater beside me. I had to make things easy for me, as a student. I had to ground it with this grater to economize things also. And I grounded it, and it gave me what I want. Grounded it, and that grounding, I poured it inside this plate to make things easy, especially when I'm pouring inside the pot back. I had to clear the grater because like I said, this grater is very big, so I had to clear it and slice my onions. After slicing my onions, I set my pot and poured my groundnut oil inside the pot. When my groundnut oil, I had to wait for some seconds for it to get hot. Then I added my onion. Now this is my onion that I added, and I poured it inside. I cleared the plate, and after clearing it, I had to wait for it to fry a little, and I cleared the plate. After it was getting fried, I had to add my tomato and pepper, which I grounded. I poured it inside the pot, layering the plates because it must not be a waste. So I don't want to waste anything because nowadays dollar don't rise. So I stirred it thoroughly. I keep stirring and stirring. I keep stirring and stirring. I stirred it for over a minute to 2 minutes, making it to fry very well because I'm using the frying method now to prepare my jollof rice. Then I added 6 cubes of Maggi. I know the Maggi is looking scary, but that is what I used, and it was so delicious. I added my Maggi and 3 paste of tomato. I made 3 tomato paste, sorry to say. So after adding it, I made sure I poured everything. Then I added my thyme and my kitchen glory with my rosemary to boost the aroma of my food. Then I keep stirring, and I stirred it, and I keep stirring and stirring. Then I added a little bit of salt again. I've added salt before when I was preparing the rice, when I was parboiling the rice. So I had to add the salt now into the pot. After it has been fried, I poured water into it that's going to reach for the rice I'm preparing, and I had to use this turning stick so it can boost the aroma of my food. Now I'm feeling the aroma. Smells good. And I had to stir and keep stirring. Then I poured my rice, which I parboiled, inside the pot, and I stirred it again. See, this cooking is all about stirring. So now I had to wait for some minutes, and now this is my rice here. Now, what's about jollof rice is that you have to make it to bone to give you the aroma you want and the taste you want. Using this turning stick to keep turning and turning and turning it. You watch people that are preparing a party rice, this is how they do it. Okay, now I'm dishing it out, ready to eat my delicious meal. Food don't say though. Come and join me. Like, I'm enjoying right here. This is me. Please like my videos, follow and share. I need more subscribers. Thank you so much for watching the video. I love you all. Like this, I'm eating my meal with my students, fellow students, and they enjoy the meal. Yummy. Love the taste of the food. I love you all. Thanks for watching.